It's John Champion, and alongside me, Jim Beglin. And we're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Thanks, John. Hello, everyone. I mean, what an atmosphere we've got in this stadium today. It's all very, very exciting.
Here are the lineups for today. So, Jim Beglin, how do you see this one panning out?
Well, I'm sure the two sets of players will respond to our expectations, but the key point today may well be taking those chances.
Away we go then. Distant. Barkley. Anichebe looking to thread it through. Baines. A shot! Keeper claims it. A long ball forward. Got it. Barkley. Here's Anichebe. Loses out in a position of some promise. It's a throw. Gibson. Osman. They're breaking out quickly here. Gibson. Anichebe. And Phil Neville.
Well, he's got to get his head up and see if any support has arrived.
Here is Osman. A really impressive run through. Good opportunity for a cross here. That will be a goal kick. It's on for him. Oh, mistimed lunge there. It's away free kick, and the referee wants words. It's a booking. You can see what the player thinks of that decision. It's back to the old argument about referees who've never played the game at this level. Here's a ball in. Wants to get this